You've probably seen those insanely viral stick figure animation videos popping up all over YouTube lately, racking up millions of views, gaining thousands of subscribers practically overnight, and making ridiculous amounts of money. It seems like they're everywhere, doesn't it? But here's what's even more shocking. One channel, for example, has just 15 videos. Yes, just 15. But has already crossed 900,000 subscribers and consistently hits millions of views every month. Now get this. Another channel only has 9 videos, yet it's sitting at over 288,000 subscribers and is already effortlessly making thousands of dollars. What's even crazier? These creators aren't just relying on AdSense. They've landed brand deals, anywhere between $4,000 to $10,000 per deal, sometimes even more. This isn't some fantasy. It's happening right now. And it's not just the big channels. Even newer, smaller, faceless channels with little to no subscribers are gaining traction fast. They're getting thousands, sometimes even millions of views. So if you're sitting there thinking you're too late to the game, I've got news for you. You're not. In fact, this might be the absolute perfect time to jump in and ride this viral wave. Step 1. Create your YouTube channel the right way. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. This is super simple, but don't just breeze through it. Naming your channel matters. Choose a name that matches your niche. If you're going into self-improvement, life advice, or productivity, use a name that reflects that identity. Don't pick something random. Your name should signal what your channel is about from the start. Step 2. Discover viral video ideas with DeepSeek AI. Once your channel is set up, the next big step is finding video ideas that actually get clicks. And let's be honest, this is where most people get stuck. But I've got a strategy for you that works. Start by studying existing successful channels in your niche, especially the ones using stick figure animations. Here's what I want you to do. Copy the video titles from one of these popular channels. Put them in a list, then head over to DeepSeek AI. In the prompt box, write something like this. These days, topics like these are going viral on YouTube. Can you suggest some unique and intriguing video ideas related to life challenges? I'd love to create a video in a similar niche. Then paste all the copied titles below that prompt and hit enter. DeepSeek AI will analyze the list and suggest completely fresh video ideas based on the same theme. But it doesn't stop there. It also explains why each idea is worth making. You'll get a deeper understanding of what works, why it works, and how to put your unique spin on it. You can repeat this as many times as you like until you've got a full list of content ideas. Step 3. Create your script using real video transcripts. Now that you have a video idea, it's time to write your script. Go to one of those viral channels again and open a popular video. Scroll down and click Show Transcript in the description. Copy the entire transcript and paste it into DeepSeek AI. Then write this prompt. Convert this transcript to a normal script format and remove timestamps. DeepSeek will instantly give you a clean, readable script. Want to double-check that the AI didn't remove or change anything? Add this prompt. Are you sure you didn't shorten the script or change anything else? Once DeepSeek confirms, you're good to go. Now ask it to generate a new script based on your own video topic. Right. I need a video script of up to 8 minutes on this topic while maintaining the same tone and storytelling style. And that's it. DeepSeek will produce a brand new script in the same tone, same flow, and totally customized for your topic. If the script feels short, simply ask, "This script isn't enough for an 8-minute video. Please make it longer and more engaging." Boom, you'll have a full script, perfect for a stick figure animation video. Step 4. Generate voiceover using Dubdub, directly in Canva. Now let's move on to voiceover. AI voiceovers have come a long way, and for this style of content, they're perfect. My top recommendation, Dubdub. Start by signing up for Dubdub. You can try their 3-day free trial. Choose a voice. Ultra premium voices are super realistic. Use filters to select English, male or female voice, and adult tone. Paste your script into the text box and slightly reduce the speed for a natural delivery. Once done, click Add to Design. Your voiceover will appear in the Canva timeline. You can even fine-tune pitch, speed, and pauses. It's that flexible. Step 5. Build stick figure scenes in Canva. Now comes the fun part, building your video scenes. In Canva, create a new design and choose Landscape Video. First, search black paper in Elements and choose a textured paper background. This paper effect becomes your brand style, so use it in every video and thumbnail for visual consistency. Next, let's add stick figure animations. Search stick figure in Elements. You'll see thousands. Here's a tip. Click the 3 dots on any figure and check the designer's profile. You'll often find entire packs of similar animations. This is a goldmine for creating consistent visuals. Make sure all your stick figures are the same size. Use Canva's ruler tool, Shift+R, to create size boundaries on the canvas. That way, all your figures look clean and professional. Step 6. Sync stick figures with voiceover zoom into the timeline. Play your voiceover, and whenever a sentence ends, pause and press S on your keyboard to split the audio. Now you can align animations with voice perfectly. Let's say the first sentence is, "Here's a dirty little secret." Go find a stick figure that fits that emotion or tone, maybe someone whispering or pointing. Add it, change its color to white, and scale it to fit between your ruler guides. Then trim the animation to match the length of the voice segment. Repeat this process for each sentence. For example, if the line says, "You're not lazy," search for a lazy stick figure or someone sleeping, then switch it up later to show someone energized or productive. You can even add speech bubbles and animated text to highlight key words. The more variety you add, without overwhelming, the more engaging your video will be. Step 7. Final touches and export. Once all scenes are created and synced with the voiceover, go to Share, then download your video in HD. This process may take time initially, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to create these videos much faster. Let's see how the final result looks. Play sample scene. Here's a dirty little secret. Impressive, right? So, don't wait. This strategy is working right now.